Welcome back to this course, Introduction to the Java Programming Language, a presentation of coding boot camps. In this brief video, we are going to talk about the object-oriented programming concept of encapsulation. Encapsulation is one of the four fundamental object-oriented programming concepts along with inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Encapsulation in Java is the method of wrapping the data or the variables or the attributes in existing code or methods, everything together as a single unit. So everything is encapsulated within a class. So with encapsulation, variables of a class will be hidden from other classes and then can only be accessed by instantiating the class and then calling those methods to return the data on the class. So I guess sometimes it's called data hiding. There are what we call gets and sets that are actually used as access points within the class to access the data. So there can be a getter method that actually returns the data from the object. And then there also is an attribute that is a setter, which actually sets the data. So these attributes are private to the class. Only the class has control of them. And we access it by instantiating the class and setting or calling getter on the data that we need to work with. So here's an example right here. We have our private data within this class right here. You can see there are three attributes here, and they are set to private. So sometimes this is called visibility. So it is not accessible to anything else except this class, only accessible from within the class. But notice right here, there are three methods that are called setAge, setName, and setID, and where we actually pass in the values. And you can see here that we use an assignment. So whatever is passed in, that value is assigned to name, ID number, and age. And then if we need to actually view or work with the value, we can call these methods called the getter method. So if we need to get the name, we call getName, and the name is returned. If we need the age, we call getAge. And if we need the getIDnum, we get that as well. And again, here is another example here. So here we have run encapsulation, and we are actually instantiating the previous class that we saw, and we are now doing the set name, set age, and set ID number, and we can see it right here. So we're passing in these two strings, and we're passing in an age here. And now we are also looking at the formatting of the output. So we're outputting the name, and we're outputting the age, and we are also running a get age. So we're outputting the name and using get name. We're outputting the age and using get age. So we'll take a look at an example at the end of the next video